Hey, if you want to add analytics to your Wix website, you might be thinking Google Analytics, but I'm going to show you a better and more privacy-friendly alternative. So here's how to set up simple analytics on Wix in just a few minutes. First thing you're going to do is go to simpleanalytics.com, and once you've created an account, just click on Add Website on the dashboard here. Type in your domain name and click on Add Website. Then click on HTML, and you'll see this little script. Just click this button to copy it, or you can highlight it if you prefer. Now let's go across to Wix. I'm just on the dashboard here of my site. And in this left sidebar, all the way at the bottom, click on Settings. Once this is up, scroll all the way to the bottom again. And in Development and Integrations, click on Custom Code. In the top right, click on Add Custom Code, and this little modal should pop up. And just paste that script from before in the top here. You can give this a name. I'm going to call it Simple Analytics. Leave this Add Code to Pages section. And then to place code in, click on Body End. Then at the top, we'll click on Code Type and just click on Analytics, and then you can apply. Now to make sure that this is actually live, click on Home and then Edit Site. And once this is loaded up, you can go ahead and click Publish. And this will just make sure that that script is actually live and working. You can see the site has been published. Now we can go back to Simple Analytics and just click on I installed the script and wait a few moments. And you should see something like this. After a few minutes, you'll have your domain name and you'll see the visitors, the page views, the referrals, where they're coming from. And you can start to understand a lot more about your visitors. And if you want to explore more about the features that Simple Analytics has, you can have a look at some of our other videos or go to simpleanalytics.com. Thanks for watching.